So for a very long time, I struggled to find paying users, but then I employed these 4 marketing strategies that grew my SaaS to 10K per month. The first one is SEO. I didn't know about the importance of SEO. It is so simple. Build things that people are searching for. When people type whatever your SaaS is or whatever your solution is into Google, and then you rank first, you're going to get paid customers. They have high intent. They're looking for a solution. So winning on SEO grew my SaaS. That is the most important strategy. The second one is YouTube. Similar to SEO, growing on YouTube, building an audience, that's a good way to get eyeballs to the SaaS. I have a SaaS in the productivity space. I make videos talking about productivity content and giving productivity tips. This also grew my SaaS because I was able to build a community of productivity enthusiasts. It took a very long time, but I was able to get eyeballs on my product. So I'll put number 2 as YouTube. Number 3 is influencer collaborations. So finding people on TikTok and Instagram Reels that already have this audience, paying them or doing a collab, that's a good way to get eyeballs on your SaaS, especially when these influencers, the audience that they have, fit your ideal customer profile. My advice, try to stay away from a single post. You want to spread it through multiple posts. So you want to do like a partnership with these influencers where they make multiple posts talking about your product. You want to make sure the target audience that they have is exactly the target audience that you're looking for. And the fourth one is groups. Don't sleep on groups. I'm talking about Facebook groups, Slack groups, and WhatsApp groups. When there are groups around software engineering or groups around this particular hobby, if you have a SaaS that is in those groups, that is perfect. I've seen a lot of people get success in this. I tried this. I started posting in groups that my target audience hung out with, productivity enthusiasts, and I got a good amount of downloads. It's not the best for getting recurring people because there's only a certain amount of time that you can post in groups. But if you need that initial boost, it's a really good medium.